Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PUC accountancy online classes. In the previous class we have solved a problem on that is Tanu and Sonu, two partners, isn't it? 17, problem number 17. Today we are going to take up Anil and Sunil's problem, problem number 18, page number 79 of your question bank. Page number 79, problem number 18. Let me read out the problem and then we'll analyze and we'll solve the problem. Anil and Sunil were partners in a firm. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 was as follows. Balance sheet given. Creditors 10,000, bills payable, bank overdraft. All three are external liabilities, no doubt we have come across in many problems, right? So all these three should be transferred to realization account. Then Mrs. Sunil's loan. Sunil is a partner of the firm. Am I correct? Whether Mrs. Sunil is a partner? No. Whether it is mentioned or not, when Sunil, Anil, it is given without Mr. or Mrs. and Mrs. Sunil is given clearly, that means this is Sunil and that is Mrs. Sunil's loan. So, though Sunil is a partner of the firm, Mrs. Sunil is not the partner of the firm. She is an outsider to the business. Though there is marital relation between Sunil and Mrs. Sunil, Mr. Sunil and Mrs. Sunil, but for business purposes, Mrs. Sunil is totally outsider, external liability. So, it should be transferred to realization account. If it is, had it been Anil, there is a Sunil's loan account, then it should be treated as internal liability and should not be transferred to realization account. As it is Mrs. Sunil, you should transfer it to realization account because it is external liability. Then profit and loss account on the liability side, that means accumulated profit distributed among the partners in their old ratio. So only one ratio is there, isn't it? So give it to the partners by sharing in their profit sharing ratio. I mean credit it to their capital accounts, enter on the credit side by profit and loss account accumulated profits. Then capital balances, you know it very well, that is the opening balance of capital accounts. Then cash should not be transferred. Debtors, stock, furniture, machinery, buildings, goodwill, all should be transferred, including goodwill. Remember friends, if there is an intangible asset like goodwill, trademark, copyright, patents, that should also be transferred to realization account. But while selling the assets, if it is not sold, we should not consider it while selling the asset. Under bank or cash, we should not record it. If it is mentioned, it is sold, then we have to record, otherwise we have to simply forget it. But in case of other tangible assets, we have to record it even though it is not mentioned. What should be the value? Balance sheet value should be entered, correct? So that is the rule. Then, yes, moving on to the adjustments. Debtors realized less 10%, that is 10% should be deducted from debtors. Stock realized 10% more, add 10% to stock and write the amount. Building realized 62,000, straight away amount is given, no need of calculation. Furniture was taken over by Anil at a valuation of rupees 9,000. So, when asset is taken over by a partner, partner's capital account debtor to realization account. That is what we have to do, isn't it? Creditors to be settled at 10% less and interest on bank overdraft due rupees 500 also to be paid off. While making payment to the creditors on the debit side to cash or bank, it's cash it is, bank is not there, so to cash, liability is paid off, creditors total amount minus 5%. That is what we have to do. Then not by 5%, it's 10%, okay, 10%. Then interest on bank overdraft due 500 also paid. So write outstanding bank overdraft, interest on bank overdraft, interest on bank overdraft outstanding, and write 500 rupees and make payment. See friends, here bills payable is not mentioned anywhere whether it is paid or not. Even though it is not mentioned, we must make payment to outside liabilities. Bank overdraft and bills payable also should be paid along with creditors and outstanding interest on bank loan. Clear? Bank overdraft, right? Yes. Mr. Sunil took over his wife's loan. That means liability taken over by the partner. When a partner takes over a liability on the debit side, realization account related to concerned partner's capital account, liability taken over, isn't it? Then dissolution expenses, you know it very well. Debit side of realization account and credit side of bank account. That's all. Cash account here, cash account, credit side of cash account. That's all we have to do here. Let us solve realization account. Draw the columns. Realization account. Realization account. Write one by one items, isn't it? Debit, credit, particulars, JF, amount in rupees. Yes. Let us transfer all the assets first. Stock account 18,000 to stock account 18,000. Then to debtors account, how much? 15,000. 15,000. Furniture 12,000. 12,000. Machinery account 20,000. Then buildings, right? Buildings account, how much? 50,000. 50,000. Goodwill 10,000. Goodwill account 10,000. See friends, nothing is mentioned regarding realization of goodwill here. So while realizing the assets, forget about the goodwill. If they mention anything, that is goodwill is sold for rupees, goodwill is taken over by a partner, or goodwill is realized for rupees, then enter on the credit side, otherwise simply forget it. That's all. Yes. Now transfer all the liabilities. Creditors account, how much it is? 10,000. 10,000. Bills payable 6,000. Bills payable 6,000. 6,000. Bank overdraft 4,000. Bank overdraft 4,000. Mrs. Sunil's loan. Mrs. Sunil's loan. How much it is? 5,000. By cash. by cash. Under that, assets realized. Under that, debtors 13,500. That is 15,000 minus 1,500. So it will be 13,500. Then stock 10% more than the book value, right? 18 plus 1,800. 18,000 plus 1,800, so 19,800. Then buildings 62,000. Then machinery 20,000. Vehicle 4,000. Anything else? No. 1,19,300. 1,19,300. Then Anil took over furniture, right? So Anil's capital account letter to realization account is the journal entry by Anil's capital account. Furniture taken over. How much is the amount? 9,000, right? 9,000. Then what else? Loan of wife. Wife's loan is taken over by Mr. Sunil, right? So to Sunil's capital account. Wife's loan taken over. How much? 5,000. Then there is expense of realization to cash account. Realization account letter to cash account. Expenses of realization. Isn't it? How much it is? 3,000. And that's all. Find out which side is greater and see whether it is profit or loss. Transfer it to partners' capital accounts. Credit side is greater, 153,300. 153,300. Write the same total on the other side. Difference is 800 rupees. Share it among the partners. That is Anil and Sunil, right? What is their profit sharing ratio? Whether it is given in the problem? Nowhere it is given. So what do we have to do? Equal. That's all. Very simple. If ratio is not given, equal proportions. So share it among them 1:1. That is 1/2 and 1/2, right? To all partners capital account. Anil and Sunil. And 800 into 1/2. 800 into 1/2 is equal to 400. Yes, that's all. It's done. Profit on realization balancing figure right here. Profit on realization balancing figure. It is done. Let me move on to the next step. Combined capital accounts of partners, right? Yes. Combined capital accounts of partners. Yes. Provide two columns each on either side. Only two partners are there. Yes. Anil and Sunil write in full. I will write in short form. You don't follow me in this case. Anil and Sunil in rupees. Particulars, debit, credit is a must. Over. Let us start. Capital balances by balance brought down. By balance brought down, how much it is? By balance brought down, write it 52 and 45 and 45. Then there is profit and loss account, right? On the liability side, accumulated profit, profit and loss account. Loss account, accumulated profit. Accumulated profit. How much? 1:1. So 4,000 each. 4,000 each. 1:1. Then there is profit on realization. Realization accounted to partners capital account. So partners capital account is created by realization account. Realization account profit. Profit. How much? 4,000 each. Is it 4,000? No, it is 400 each, right? 400 each. Then what else? Asset taken over with the partner. Not asset, liability taken over, right? Liability taken over with the partner. Realization account debted to Sunil's capital account. So Sunil's capital account is credited by realization account. Realization account. Refer journal entry. That is liability taken over. Wife's loan taken over. Very simple, friends. See, when the partner takes over the liability, suppose Sunil agreed to pay his wife's loan, that means he should get that amount from the firm, right? So when you give credit to Sunil's capital account, automatically his capital balance will increase and final payment to Sunil will increase. That means final payment includes the amount paid by Sunil to his wife. So very simple it is. Don't get confused. 50,000. 50,000. That's all. No other entries. Here, asset taken over, isn't it? Asset taken over here. Refer here. By Anil's capital account. Anil's capital account debted to realization account. Anil's capital account debted to realization account. So it will be taken over. How much? 9,000, right? Asset taken over. 9,000. in Anil's column. That's all, I think. No other entries. Close it, find out the difference, make final payment to the partners. Leave some gap and write the total. Yes. How much is the total? Wife's loan, how much it is? Is it 50 or 5? Sunil's loan, 5,000 it is. I'm sorry, it is 5,000. Make it as 5,000. Yes, 5,000. Isn't it? All right, the total 54,400. Then here 56,400. 56,400. Then here write the same figure 56,400 and 54,400. 54,400. Yes, it is. Then find out the difference. Difference is 47,400. 47,400 and 54,400. 54,400. Isn't it? Yes. To bank. It's not bank, it is cash. This is because cash in hand it is. So to cash, final payment made, balancing figure. Balancing figure. Now, move on to the last part, bank account. Bank account. Yes. Bank account, bank appears, it is not bank, it's cash account, I'm sorry. Again. Cash account. Cash account always shows debit balance because cash always appears on the asset side. It is an asset, right? So to balance brought down, refer old balance sheet. Brought down how much? 5,000. 5,000. Then yes, realization account. To realization account, assets realized. Assets realized. Write the amount, how much it is. Assets realized, refer here, write the total 1,19,300. Refer here, realization account debtor to cash account, expenses, isn't it? So, by realization account, expenses, expense of realization, how much it is? 3,000, right? Any payment made? No. No other payments. We have to make payment to liabilities, right? We didn't do payment to them. We have to. I just missed out the entry here. Refer realization account. Move on to the realization account. Liability should be paid. Creditors, isn't it? So, add one entry here. To cash account, liabilities paid. Liabilities paid. Write the breakup here. Okay? Write the breakup. Creditors 9,000. creditors 9,000 and bills payable. I will delete some data here. One data I will delete, okay, but you don't delete this data, it is there. There is no space here, we forgot. Answer is correct. Creditors right here, creditors, write within bracket 10,000 minus 1,000 minus 1,000, then so it will be 9,000, right? 9,000. Then what else? Interest on bank overdraft. On bank overdraft 500 right here. Bills payable 6,000. Bills payable 6,000. And bank overdraft. This is interest on bank overdraft 500 and bank overdraft, refer liabilities side. See, even though it is not mentioned in the problem to make payment to liabilities, we must make payment. Clear? It is 4,000. 4,000. So add these things. Creditors 10,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 9,000. Interest on bank overdraft 500, bills payable 6,000, bank overdraft 4,000. Total it will be 19,500. We have missed out this data, but answer will be correct. Answer, you will get the same answer, don't worry. Yes, right here, by realization account, that is liabilities paid. Liabilities paid. Isn't it? How much it is? 19,500. 19,500. Then what else? That's all. Make final payment by Anil's capital account. Anil's capital account. Final payment. Sunil's capital account. Sunil's capital account. Final payment. Final payment. That's all. Write the same figure, 47,400 and 54,400. 54,400. That's all. Add it together. It must agree. 124,300 is the total. It agrees. In your question bank, answer given, realization profit is correct, 800. Then final cash account total is 124,300 is correct. Capital account balance is given wrong, but don't worry, this is correct solution. You just follow this. That's all. I don't know from where did they get the amount of capital balances payment. You are not getting that. So just forget about it. Answer is wrong. So solve this in this way. Clear? Yes. Now there are, I think, 3 more problems. Yes, 19, 20 and 21. 20 and 21 both are a bit complicated. 20 and 21 both are, there are some critical adjustments, so I will take up in the class. 19th, Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, there is one critical adjustment, that is 2,000 were recovered for bad debts written off of last year. I will take up in the class. 3 problems will solve. Okay. You take this problem itself as the assignment problem. Anil and Sunil Problem number 18, isn't it? Page number 79 of your question bank. Whatever we have solved just now. Same problem, you just solve and submit it on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.